So I'll be showing you how to use saved audio or saved music on Instagram. So on your Instagram app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. On your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right, and that's going to open settings and activity. Under that, you should see saved. Tap on that, and this is where you'll see all your saved posts and all your saved audio. And audio means any kind of audio, including music. So you can tap on that category and see all your saved audio, and you can pick any. So let's pick that one, for instance. You can see all the posts under that particular audio. You can even play the audio.
Me, I'm a street lover.
Like that. So when you want to use that audio, you tap on use audio. That's going to open up your Instagram reel creator or post. And then you can either use the camera to take a video or a picture, or you can use one of your saved reels. So, I mean videos. So let's tap on that and then tap on next.
Me, I'm a street lover. Angithandi futhi nokulala ekhaya. Futhi from
And as you might have heard, that has picked up that particular saved audio that we saw. And then you can continue to customize your Instagram reel with some text, stickers, some filters, all that stuff. You can edit. You can just go into the editor, and once you're happy with everything, you can now proceed to post. Let's have a preview. Let me increase the volume here. And as you can hear, that we used the audio that we had saved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.